Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Carrabba's lentil soup. First, you'll want to prepare your vegetables, finely dicing carrots, celery, and onions. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Add the diced vegetables and sauté them for about 5 to 7 minutes until they begin to soften. Then, stir in 2 cloves of minced garlic and cook for just 1 minute more, ensuring it doesn't brown. Next, pour in 6 cups of vegetable broth and 1/14. 5-ounce can of diced tomatoes, undrained. Stir in 1 cup of rinsed brown or green lentils. Bring the entire mixture to a rolling boil over high heat. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low, cover the pot, and let it simmer gently. This allows the flavors to meld and the lentils to cook perfectly. Now it's time to season your soup. Add 1 teaspoon of dried Italian seasoning, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Stir in 2 cups of fresh spinach and 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar. Continue to simmer the soup, uncovered, for another 20 to 25 minutes, or until the lentils are tender and the spinach has wilted completely. Taste and adjust seasonings as needed. Finally, your delicious homemade Carrabba's lentil soup is ready to enjoy. Ladle it into bowls and garnish with a sprinkle of fresh chopped parsley. This hearty soup is perfect on its own or served with a warm piece of crusty bread. For those who love to meal prep, check out the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals to help you stay organized and enjoy your meals throughout the week. It's a wonderful way to savor this comforting dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.